Evelyn na Muhala mutumia uria wiriga gutanabirwo na ciana ithano cia mabatha thibitari-ini ya Kakamega na kugegia andu maingi nyundu wa kibeo giki ni akuite. Na Muhala akuite ciumia igiri thutha wa twana twake twiri twa tubi gukua. Akiaria kubitukira mutambo wa thimu, murugamiriri munene thibitari-ini ya Moi Teaching and Referral Eldoret Wilson Naruasa ugite mutumia uyu akuire agitangikiro.
After the test was done that at 12 midday today, which is about 2 hours ago, is when we lost her, unfortunately.
Ona gutikana Muhala ni akoretwo akithinio ni mwiri kuma riria ageire ciana ici. Ndagitari Aruasa ugite makoretwo makimubenda dawa cia kugiririria kura na umuthi thutha wa kumubura mbica ya x-ray mbere ya akwite makorire ngoro yake yuma nyimbu na maburi mauma na mai.
She complained that she was having difficulty in breathing and some headache also. So the doctor, you know, that ward is covered 24/7 by doctors. So the doctor who was on duty reviewed her and put her on treatment again, and so put her again on the treatment for the blood clotting and antibiotics also.
Na Muhala atiga ciana mugwanja cia tuiritu kuri uthuthuria wa postmortem wetereire gwiko niguo kumenya kihumo gia gikuo giake. Ngiribotera Inoro TV, njitagwo Masi wa Ndia wa Muriithi.